Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a video on this 2x2 cube I have here, the Moyo Tangpo. So I can't wait to open this. I've been resisting myself from opening this because just for you guys, waiting for the right time to make the video. So I really like the way it's packaged in this kind of foam, and you can see there's the holder over here and the cubes are here. So let's just take this out. Okay, so wow, this looks awesome. So at the back here, okay, it's from cubelelo.com. So that's an awesome site. Most of my friends get their cubes from there, and I haven't got my cube from there. It's a really nice website. You can get lubricants, and they also sell fidget spinners there. So over here, this is the cube, and let's just unbox it now. This thing is so hard to unbox. Oops. Okay, so over here we have a pamphlet, and we have some. Is this Felix Zemdex? Felix Zemdex? No, I don't know. So let's just put this away and get to the cube. Okay, so it's in a nice plastic wrapping, and just get that out. Okay, so we got that opened. I think this is lubricated and everything. Finally, wow. Wow, this is a really nice cube. I've been waiting to get this from the moment I saw a 2x2 cube. So I really like the feeling of this cube. I think it's also lubricated, and so overall it's a really nice cube. And thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, like and comment below, and please tell me what other videos you'd like to watch, and thank you.